Hello students. So today we are going to start the midpoint theorem. So let us begin the chapter with the midpoint theorem and its proof. So first begin with the statement of the theorem. The line segment joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and is equal to half of it. Now let us explain this theorem. It is given that if you consider a triangle ABC, midpoint of the side AB and AC is given to you as E and F. So, by the midpoint theorem, we can say that EF is parallel to BC and EF equals to half of BC. So, first we need to write the given. In triangle ABC, E and F are midpoints. Therefore, we can say AE equals to EB and AF equals to FC. So, we have to prove that EF parallel to BC and EF equals to half of BC. To prove this theorem, we need to draw a line through C parallel to BA to meet EF produced at D. So, to prove the theorem, first we need to prove these two triangles are congruent to each other. So, in triangle AEF and CDF, AF equal to FC, angle AFE equals to angle CFD, vertically opposite angles, and angle EAF equals to angle DCF. They are alternate interior angles. Since these two lines are parallel to each other and this is transversal, so these two are alternate interior angles. So by angle side angle congruency, these two triangles are congruent to each other. Now, since the triangles are congruent to each other, by CPCT we can say that EF equals to FD and AE equals to CD. Now, if you look at the given condition, it is given that AE equals to EB and EB equals to CD. So, we can say that EBCD is a parallelogram. Now, if it is a parallelogram, so EF parallel to BC, that is the first proof, and ED equals to BC. But EF is equal to half of ED as F is the midpoint. So we can say that EF equals to half of BC. Let us solve a problem based on midpoint theorem. In the figure given below, D and E are midpoint of the side AB and AC respectively. If BC equals to 5.6 cm, angle B equals to 72 degree. So compute DE and angle ADE. Now see students, in triangle ABC, D and E are the midpoints of the side AB and AC. So, if you recall the midpoint theorem, so midpoint theorem says that the line segment joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. So, we write by the midpoint theorem DE parallel to BC and DE half of BC. So, DE half of BC, but the length of BC is given as 5.6. So we write 1 by 2 into 5.6 centimeter. If you cancel, you will get DE as 2.8 centimeter. And angle ADE equals to 72 degree. Since these two lines are parallel to each other, so they are corresponding angle as the line AB is transversal. So angle ADE equals to 72 degree as DE parallel to BC and they are corresponding angle. Thank you student for watching this.